Hello viewers. Today we are talking about a topic that clears all the doubts about adoption in India. Many people are confused between HAMA and CARA. Some even think that just registering an adoption deed is enough. But is it really safe? Let's get into details. What is HAMA? HAMA is act in law that allows to adopt a child by following certain rules. Adoption under HAMA is usually done through a registered adoption deed. But here comes the problem. HAMA has strict conditions. If adoptive parents already have a living son, they cannot adopt another son. If they already have a living daughter, they cannot adopt another daughter. This is the same gender restriction. Even if your children are grown up, married, or settled, as long as they are alive, the bar applies. Even grandparents cannot adopt their grandchildren as per HAMA if they have a living child of same gender. Let's discuss on what are legal complications of same-gender adoption under HAMA. So what happens if someone ignores this and still adopts? Even if you register an adoption deed, even if you get a new birth certificate, legally under HAMA the adoption is invalid, anyone can challenge it in court. And if the court sets aside the adoption, the child goes back legally to the natural parents. Grandparents or adoptive parents lose parental rights. Natural parents remain legal parents even if they are divorced or remarried. In this case, what is the way out? The answer is CARA. If you don't know what is CARA, here is simple explanation. CARA means Central Adoption Resource Authority. It works under the Juvenile Justice Act. All adoptions done through CARA are finalized by a family court order, which makes them legally strong. Why is CARA safe? CARA has no bar on same-gender adoption. Adoptive parents can adopt even if they already have children. Once the family court passes the adoption order, a new birth certificate is issued with adoptive parents' names. In case of CARA, grandparents can adopt grandchildren even if they have child of same gender. No mention of adoption is written. This birth certificate is accepted everywhere, even for passport and immigration. So there is no risk of dispute later. What is the procedure under CARA? The process is simple. Natural or legally rightful parents give consent or surrender before Child Welfare Committee. Adoptive parents register themselves on CARA portal. A home study report is prepared. Adoption petition is filed in family court. Court passes order and new birth certificate is issued. Yes, it takes a few months, but the adoption is rock solid and cannot be challenged later. So viewers, conclusion is clear. Adoption through HAMA has limitations and risks. Same-gender adoption under HAMA is not valid. Even a registered deed or new birth certificate cannot protect you if it is challenged. But adoption through CARA is legally valid, safe, and future-proof. It gives the child clarity about their parentage and avoids disputes in property, passport, or immigration matters. So, if you are planning adoption, always prefer CARA over HAMA. That way, you secure not only the child's present, but also their future. If you found this video useful, do like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread awareness about the right way of adoption so every child has a safe and happy future. Thank you.